for an SUV that has third row capabilities, has a media center with navigation, backup camera, plus remote start, and heated and cooled seats, then check out this 2017 Buick Enclave. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this dark gray exterior color. Love all of these chrome accents up front with your Buick badge right there in the center. You've got these HID headlamps with accent lamps below. And this has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. Looking down at your wheels, these are 20-inch bright machined aluminum, super bright, and just a nice design on those. And then you have your side mirrors that have this indicator lights going down the side, and they are powered with blind spot monitoring and cross path detection, so that will alert you if there's someone in your blind spot. Okay, so looking at these seats, they are black leather heated and ventilated, so perfect for all types of weather, and both sides are power adjustable. Looking to your leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, you have your heated button right there with your cruise control settings, your media controls, and your hands-free voice communication controls. And then over to your media center, here you have your radio options, and you can subscribe to satellite radio if you choose to. Tons of other apps. It has navigation, so you can plug in an address, and it'll take you right to your destination. You also have your phone settings, so you can connect your phone using Bluetooth and make or receive phone calls right there. And you've got your backup camera to give you a clear picture of what is behind your vehicle with those guidelines to assist you when you're backing up. This has other safety features like lane departure warning and forward collision warning right there. And then you have your dual climate controls with that LCD display that gives you your exact temperature. Down below you have your heated and cooled buttons for your seats, and you have your power liftgate, your rear windshield wiper, all that stuff, and a 12-volt and a USB right there. Love all the wood grain accenting. You do have two cup holders right there in the middle. And then looking at your center console, this does open up right there for some space, and you can also move it backwards to give you this additional room with a shelf that is removable and tons of room down below and another 12-volt right there. Looking up, this does have OnStar, which is subscribable, universal garage door openers, and controls to your sunroofs. This is a dual pane sunroof. You have the one above your driver's seat that does open, and then you have another pane above your middle row back there. So let's go look back there. You also have a Bose Sound System for amazing amplified sound. Okay, so looking in this middle row, you do have quad seating, so it has room for two passengers right there with an aisle that goes in between. You have your climate controls here with a 12-volt and two USB ports down below, so they can charge their devices back here. You can also see that second pane of the sunroof, so you have all that light. These seats also fold down, and you can see it goes into that third row where you have three more seats back there, so you do have a cup holder on each side for the people in the third row. Looking up, you have a chrome roof rack for your larger items, your LED tail lamps, and your all-wheel drive badging with a rear sensing system, so that will alert you if there's an object behind your vehicle so you don't ever back up into anything. Then on your remote start and power liftgate can be found on your key fob right there, so you can start your vehicle from anywhere, and it'll be nice and warm and toasty when you want to leave. So tons of room back here in your trunk. You do have all these floor mats, and these seats can fold forward to give you additional room back here. So tons of space in this SUV if you're looking for a third row vehicle with all those features in the media center, those safety features as well. Then you might want to check out this Buick Enclave. You can see it at our website, WowWoodys.com, or come check out our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee's Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.